Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DevOps playlist. My name is Abdul Hadid, and in this tutorial we will learn about the uh, hands-on on the Linux files. In the last video, we have learned all about the Linux file structure and virtual file system, and all about the Linux file system in the last video, and we have learned about the mount system in Linux. Let's start. Uh, these commands are the basic commands. Uh, in the last videos of playlist, we have go through with this. I hope you have cleared these commands, and now we will go further. uh, these commands are the directory commands, and now we will go through with file commands, and then we will learn chmod and then chown commands. Chmod is for the file permissions, and chown is related and cousin like the chmod. Let's start with this command of file. File command is used to determine the file type, like we have file length python.py. It does not care about the extension used for file, because we have created one file with dtt, and it simply use file command and tell us the file type. It has several options, like sudo touch init.png, asking for a password because we are not in the root user. For a root user, we write command sudo su. Now you can see it is a root user, it will not ask for a password. Sudo touch breakfast.png. Now it is not asking for a password. File command tell us the file type with the uh, with the magic file that contain all the patterns to recognize a file type. uh, in Linux, there are files. Other functions are uh, file minus dash s, used for special files, and in the magic file. Man file magic. Man files magic is a command that tells us about the magic pattern file command magic pattern file, and it tells us all about the file systems, uh, uh, how many types of file we can create it, uh, byte file, short file, long file, and in the others. There are many other commands uh, in the file system. Now start with the touch command. Touch command is the way to create an empty file. Now we are in a root user. We don't need sudo command. Sudo sudo node touch uh, launch YAML. YAML file is more used in the Kubernetes, Ansible, and in the DevOps. You will learn later about the structure of YAML file. Uh, for create YAML file, you write touch and ls check it is created. It is the same as opening or creating a file, storing it without any notification to the file content. The touch command ignores closing, saving, and opening the file. Rather, it updates the date related to directory or file. ls launch.yaml. It is tell about the uh, date uh, and time. Touch is common Linux command to make an empty file, or we want to modify the file timestamps, file access time, last date, or modification. We can change according to our need. Linux files contain three timestamp: C time, M time, and A time. A time it includes detail on when the content of the file is read with command or tool to show the content of file, like uh, cat launch.yaml. It's showing us what is in the file, and we can go through with nano command. Nano and Vim are the and cat is the uh, file editor in the Linux. Learning. We can save this nano file with the control O, M, A, and X to exit. It is the A time stamp. Then other is VI. VI is the Vim editor. Learning editors. For insert in the Vim file, first we press I and editing. Now for the save we press Ctrl S, and for exit, for the save we press escape, then Control Shift uh, Shift semicolon WQ for the exit in Vim. There are many difficulties for the professional to exit from the Vim file. You must have to learn now. For the insert, press I, Shift I. Editing. Now for the save, press escape. Now Shift semicolon and WQ for exit. Understand? minus a we use for access and modification time, and dash m is used for modify time of a file, if my boss say this was done on 6:30 am, then my work done is at 8 am, then I will touch minus m date 6:30, and it will save on the say 6:30. Touch R is used for update time of one file with the reference of other file. Touch T to create a file by specifying the time. Touch C. Now we will go through. Minus n the m minus m dash m will help to change the modification time of a file. ls minus l. Now you can see we have created yesterday in the last tutorial this file here. Now we have just write minus dash m. This has changes the file date and time with the dash m. Dash r is used for with the reference file. It will change the time. Touch time dot txt time dot txt. Time of small this file will change with this file. I think it is not created now. We have to first create a file, then change with the time. Touch dash r tt and txt with the with this file. time.txt is not created. Just file. Now you can see with the reference of this file, this has changed this date and time. In the last this date and time we have changed with minus m 20 827. Now this has changed the time of this reference file. Understand the basics. st 2024 0024006 and date is 20. This date and time, it will modify the time according to this date, and the time is 20 2020. We can also enter the seconds. Now you can see the date and time of this file has been changed with this command touch dash t. I have changed the date and time. Understand? I hope you have cleared this touch commands uh, for the video that not lengthy. Uh, in the next video we will move to the remove command, remove a file and copy file. I hope you will do practically this touch commands example with me. This command is more used for the creating file uh, and for the creating directory we use mkdir. For the creating file we use touch. uh, I hope you will clear and go through with this practically and hands-on. If you have any question you can ask from me from the email and WhatsApp. And today assignment is you have to take a screenshot of the of this all work I am doing practically, and send one email with the screenshot. Thank you.